Imagine for a moment a world where every corner of your home, your garden, your car, or even your camper shines like new. Imagine a device so powerful that it can transform the dirtiest surfaces into a sparkling space with astonishing ease. Let me introduce you to the Kärcher K Premium Power Home High Pressure Cleaner, a true gem of technology designed for those who refuse to compromise on cleanliness and efficiency. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and share your own at the best price right now. This product is ideal for homeowners and gardeners looking for a powerful and effective solution to clean dirty surfaces. It is also suitable for motorhome and vehicle enthusiasts, as well as for those who wish to keep their garden furniture and driveway in perfect condition. At first glance, the K Premium impresses with its robust and elegant design, blending black and yellow, which is emblematic of the Kärcher brand. This is not just a simple cleaning device, it is a tool of power and precision designed to meet all your cleaning needs, even the most demanding ones. With a maximum pressure of 104.20 bars and a water flow rate of 600 liters per hour, this device is capable of handling the toughest tasks with formidable efficiency. One of the most remarkable features of the K is its versatility. Whether you need to clean your car, your terraces, your stone walls, or your garden furniture, this high-pressure cleaner is your ideal ally. Thanks to its GQ high-pressure gun, Vario Power lance, and nozzle robot, you can adjust the pressure according to the surface and type of dirt, thus ensuring optimal cleaning without the risk of damaging the materials. The home kit included with the Premium Power Home cassette adds an extra dimension to its capabilities. The surface cleaner, for example, is perfect for large stone surfaces such as terraces and driveways. Imagine being able to clean these spaces in a fraction of the time it would take with a simple garden hose. And that's not all. The stone and facade cleaning feature allows you to eliminate moss and other ingrained dirt, bringing life back to your exteriors. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The Kärcher cassette is not only powerful, but it is also extremely convenient. Its integrated hose reel allows for easy storage of the 10-meter hose after use, ensuring a tidy workspace at all times. Additionally, the telescopic handle and large wheels make it easy to transport the device even on uneven terrain. You can take it anywhere you need without effort. The efficiency of this high-pressure cleaner is also enhanced by Kärcher's plug clean system. This innovative system allows you to quickly and easily change detergents by simply inserting the bottles directly into the device. This means that you can switch from one task to another without wasting time, while ensuring a deep and suitable clean every time. And let's talk about power. With its 3000 watts, the K is ready to take on any challenge. It can clean up to 60 meters in 1 hour, which is ideal for large surfaces, whether it's cars, bikes, pools, stone walls, or garden furniture. This device is designed to make everything shine in no time. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Customer reviews do not lie. With a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 360 reviews, the Kärcher cassette has satisfied hundreds of users. It praises its power, ease of use, and ability to transform the dirtiest surfaces into immaculate spaces. These testimonials are living proof of the effectiveness and reliability of this product. Now, I suggest we summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces and objects, including vehicles, terraces, stone walls, and garden furniture. Advantage number 2, power. With 104.20 bars of pressure and a flow rate of 600 liters per hour, it can handle the most difficult cleaning tasks. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Integrated hose reel, plug clean system for quickly changing detergents, and telescopic handle for easy transport. Advantage number 4, accessories. Home kit with surface cleaner T and stone and facade cleaner, high pressure gun, Vario Power lance, and rotary boost for varied use. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, weight. Weighing in at 20 kilo, the device can be difficult to move for some people. In summary, the Kärcher Premium Power Home Cassette High Pressure Cleaner is more than just a simple cleaner. It is a true revolution in the world of outdoor domestic cleaning. It combines power, practicality, and versatility to provide you with an unparalleled cleaning experience. So why continue to struggle with ineffective and laborious cleaning methods? Embrace the Kärcher cassette and rediscover the joy of having a clean and sparkling environment. To discover all the features of this Kärcher and read the hundreds of customer reviews that attest to its excellence, click on the link in the description. Take the opportunity to order at the best price and transform your daily life starting today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you soon.